there, Tim Kanak with Perkins Roofing. You can see I am not on a roof. I'm also with Perkins Construction. Don't forget that. So I've got here with me my lovely man's best friend, Cora, my dog. And we are currently doing a project on Hutchinson Island where we are restoring this boardwalk in the gazebo. So you can see the boardwalk behind me. We are staining this boardwalk, replacing all the fasteners. Everything's going to be stainless steel. And we're going to add a urethane coating, non-slip, to this boardwalk. I'm going to show you the rest of the project right now. So some of the boards need to be flipped around. You can see here, the water sticks in this. And all of these hardwares for the gazebo roof are being replaced to stainless steel. Before they were rusted steel hardware. These are stainless steel Simpson straps and stainless steel bolts to match what was pre-existing in the gazebo. Now on the boardwalk, you can see we have our railings, and then we also have our flat walkable boardwalk surface. All of this on the railings is being stained and then urethane coated. And so this coating is going to protect the wood, and also it rained last night. You can see the moisture is now beating up where it has been coated instead of absorbing into the wood. So this is going to protect the wood from water. And this waterproofing that we're using is also specifically built for wet, moist areas like beaches. So we are restoring all of this boardwalk here, and also the fencing around the pool is getting stained and also treated, including replacing the hardware. So you have your entrance hardware here. You see this one's still old, but all of these springs, you see this hinge is stainless steel. So we're replacing all the hardware on the gate accesses for the pool area, also with stainless steel. So you can see we're working hard here to finish this project before the weekend. The goal is to try to get this done during the week so that everyone can enjoy the beach during the weekend and come out to the beach. So if you have a project, something like this, that you want completed by Perkins Construction, give us a call for Miami-Dade, Broward, and the Keys at 305 MIA Roof. For Martin, St. Lucie, and Palm Beach counties, it is 561-559 Roof. And last, if you stuck around, this is the best part. If you stuck around for this whole video, it's just a shorty, but if you stuck around for this whole video, I'm telling you about a special deal that we have right now at Perkins Roofing. In April until Easter, so until April 20th of 2025, you can get 4% off April, the month of the fourth month. So you get 4% off on any re-roof if you sign before April 20th. And on top of it, if you need roof maintenance or cleaning, we will do that for you at 10% off, which is my cost. So 10% off on roof maintenance and cleaning. You're basically getting it at cost for roof cleanings, pressure cleaning, which I don't really recommend, as you've seen in my videos, I'm sure, algae spray, and also for maintenance. So replacing broken tiles, replacing missing shingles, fixing panels or screws. We will do any of that stuff for you at cost, 10% off right now for spring cleaning. That is the Perkins Roofing spring cleaning discount. So if you call the office and ask for the spring cleaning discount on 4% off for your roof or 10% off on cleaning and maintenance, you will get that. Thanks for watching. I'm waiting for your call. Perkins Roofing spring cleaning discount. And also Perkins Construction. We both got you.